What's going on? I'm Ed Butler, 1701 Homes, out here today with one of our newest projects that we're just picked up and about to start the renovation on. So take a look at this. We're on the west side of Detroit, 48219 zip code. Check it on out. So just got inside the house. So this one's gonna be a 4-bedroom. What we got? 2 bed? We're gonna one bath right now, but we'll see on the design aspect what happens there. But got my main man Bryan here. So he was in charge of the acquisition and, integral part of 1701. So what's going on with the people?
What's up, everybody? So with this one, we got this house for $84,000. Bought it from a wholesaler who was helping a wholesaler, and we do that quite often. The exterior of this house is brick. It's our first Detroit house. So our company name is 1701, and we've been hypocrites for almost 4 years now because 1701 is the birth year of Detroit, and we haven't bought a stinking house in Detroit as of yet, until today. We bought this one, so we're no longer hypocrites, so we're excited to be here.
Nice, man, and no better place kind of to get your feet wet than over here on the west side in one of these great neighborhoods. We're just a stone's throw away from Rosedale Park, so this one is going to be pretty solid. So we mentioned the numbers a little bit, and I'll take you guys on a little bit of a tour to show what we got, what we're dealing with, so you can see the before as we transition to show you what's going to happen afterwards. Let's take a look.
Come through, we'll knock out this kitchen, we'll completely update it. Typically what we do, and this is part of what we want to talk with you about, typically in here we're coming through, we're doing stainless steel appliances, we're going to do granite countertops. We'll get rid of this guy because that is just it blocks a view. Everybody nowadays, they want just everything kind of open.
Right.
So we'll elongate that, and then right behind you over here, probably just update all these white shaker cabinets. Nothing crazy, but it'll look nice and clean. It's got a double oven, and we'll probably just convert that to a single oven. Double ovens are super expensive.
Yeah, right.
So yeah, I mean that's kind of the plan in here, and then we'll either do an LVP floor,
yep,
or we'll do tile, kind of depending on what you steer us toward. But typically it'd be LVP.
Yep.
And then in here, we'll probably keep the carpet. It's brand new. Looks great.
No, yeah, 100%. Yeah. Everybody's going retro nowadays, so might as well get it started.
Oh my God, it's so nasty.
Yeah, dude, it's a little tough, man. It's like sponge-like. I don't know what you guys definitely can't tell, but me and Bryan are basically making footprints every time we walk because it's that type of, I don't know what people were thinking back in the 70s, probably. Yeah. 70s most likely.
Can you imagine, back then, they got this carpet and they're like, I want to show all my friends and family.
This is
Look
it.
at this. This is mustardy gold.
Thanksgiving at my house this year. Check out my carpet.
Dude, seriously. So that's the thing. But anyway, we'll rip it out, and then typically on the main floor we'll sand and stain the hardwoods, typically with a darker stain. And then upstairs we typically, or in the bedrooms, we'll go carpet.
Cool. Then you're coming down here, so you got the hardwood. So I imagine that they're most likely going to be hardwoods under that floor too. Then you got the bathroom. How cool are these 3 mirrors? It'd be really cool to kind of keep them, but I don't see how you could tie it into this century. So I don't know. But classic, if you don't know too, classic Detroit bathtub, bathroom, color. Pink bathrooms are all Detroit. It's so crazy. If you start investing here or, see older houses here, it's always going to be a pink bathroom. Ask anybody you know from Detroit. It's crazy. So you got 1 bedroom here. This is the blue room. Obviously, this won't be blue when we get done with it.
So it's actually missing a closet right now. Sorry to interrupt.
100% missing a closet. Look at that.
If you look at this wall, there's not a closet on this wall. Come to the other side.
Yep.
And look what we got in here. We got a double closet in here.
Double closet.
So I imagine we'll just cut this closet in half, have a single closet here, get rid of this side of the wall, have your closet entry for that room on the other side.
That makes a lot of sense, and it's crazy. Back in the day too, they didn't necessarily have closets in every room because it wasn't necessarily needed. A lot of dressers and a lot of cabinets and wardrobes, but that's not today's standard, of course. And now we're in the pink room. You have to have the vibes in here, and of course we're going to change this one up for sure because I don't know about it. It's a little spooky. And then now this house is pretty unique in the fact that it's a bungalow style, but it has 2 bedrooms upstairs. So it's kind of a colonial slash bungalow, but we'll see what you think about it. So cool, so as soon as you're at the top of the step, you step into room number 1, which this one, same way, it's got a tiny closet down there. We'll have to do something about that. And then nice natural lighting outside the view of the park. Then you come down, got a little walkway into what would be the master bedroom. It's clearly a lot larger. It's got a cool closet cut out with some natural light coming in here. So it's gonna be pretty cool to see the renovation of what we can do to make this one kind of pop in a neighborhood that, you know, is up and coming and on the way. So, all right, so what are you thinking for flooring right here, Brian, upstairs?
Yeah, so typically, I mean, these older houses, they have hardwood floors in them, but for the purpose, there's a couple of things. Like this house is on Outer Drive, so you're gonna get a little bit of road noise. So typically, you wanna dampen that down just a little bit. Carpet will help do that. And we also like to do carpet in the bedrooms. So that's normally what we do. On the main floor, there's hardwood floors throughout, and so we'll go through, we'll sand and stain those, and then typically carpet the bedrooms as well.
Nice. Nope, totally agree the same way, and that's a good idea on the road noise from Outer Drive. Something that you don't normally have to deal with on every single house, but on this one it's very good to keep it cognizant because you don't want no angry homeowners, you know, 5 nights in. You know. So it's a wrap for us today here at 1701. We wanted to show you just getting started on one of our newest flips. Just got it under contract. We'll be starting renovations here in about a month, and then hopefully have it finished about a month after, and then ready to put on market just after the holidays. But stay tuned on the progress. We'll be updating you guys soon. Hit the like button. Also go ahead and subscribe, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.